Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Namaste. Now we move on to the 34th chapter of Natya Shastra, which deals with Prakriti Vichara, the types of characters. Characters are named as Prakriti by Bharata. He says he shall now speak about the Nayaka varieties and the Nayika varieties and all the other characters connected with the drama performance as a whole. As the chapters are segregated in different publications in a different way, here in this publication of Manomohan Ghosh, the Natya Shastra, this chapter is 34 and this is on Prakriti. Samasatastu Prakritis Trividha Parikirtita Strinam cha Purushanam cha Uttama Madhyama Adhamaha. So, generally the characters are divided into three types, in men and in women. Male and female characters, we have Uttama, Madhyama and Adhama. Jitendriya Jnanavati Nana Shilpa Vichakshana. So here these characters are Jitendriya, they are Jnanavati and Shilpa Vichakshana, based on the exploration or the knowledge in Shilpas. So it can be taken as the three types: Dakshina, Atha, Bhoga, Daksha, Deenanam, Parisantwini, Nana Shastrartha Sampanna, Gambhiryaudarya Shalini. So a man or a Nayaka or a Nayika who has controlled his senses, his voice, is skilled in various arts, that is Jitendriya, Jnanavati and Nana Shilpa Vichakshana. Then he is honest, expert in enjoyment, brings consolation to the poor, is well versed in different shastras, grave, liberal, patient and munificent, and this character is to be known as Uttama. Daksha, Deena, Parisantwini, Deenanam Parisantwini, Nana Shastrartha Sampanna. He is endowed with many shastras. Gambhirya, the braveness or the Gambhirata is seen. Audarya Shalini. So, not only Gambhirya, the Audarya, munificent is also there. This characteristics are seen in a Uttama character. Next, coming to the Madhyama character, especially the male characters. Dhairya Tyaga Gunopeta Jneya Prakritir-uttama. That is the Uttama character is over. Now, Lokopachara Chatura Shilpa Shastra Visharada Vijnana Madhurya Yuta Madhyama Prakritihi Smrita. A man who is expert in the manners of people, Lokopachara Chatura. Then proficient in arts and crafts as well as the Shastras. Shilpa Shastra Visharada. Vijnana Madhurya Yuta. He has wisdom, Madhurya sweetness, and he is to be known as Madhyama Prakriti, the middling character. Next is inferior male characters. Ruksha, Vachasi Dushila, Kusatva, Shalya Buddhikaha, Krodhana, Ghatakaschiva, Mitragnaschitra Dhatakaha. Mitragnaschitra Ghatakaha. Vritarambha Prasaktascha Yatkinchid Vadino Alpakaha. Pishuna Uddhata Vakyaihi Akritagnyasthathalasaha. Manya Mana Visheshagnya Stri Lola Kalaha Priyaha Suchakaha Papa Karmanaha Paradravya Apaharinaha Emir Doshaistu Sambhaddha Bhavanti Hi Adhamanaraha Evancha Shilato Nrinam Prakritis Trividha Mataha. So now he gives a detailed description of Adhama variety, inferior type of male characters. Who are they? Men in harsh words. Ruksha, Vachasi. Dushila, ill-mannered. Low-spirited. Kusatva. Shalya Buddhi. The Buddhi, Shalya Buddhi, they are criminally disposed, he says. Then they are violent. Krodhana. Then they can kill friends. They can kill anyone by torturing them. And they are prone to engage himself in useless things. That is, they are Krodhana, Ghataka and Mitragna. They are Mitragna. Even the friends they will kill. And Chitra Ghatakaha. They will think ill of any person. And they, of course, speak very little. Yatkinchit Vadino Alpakaha. They are mean, haughty in words. Pishuna, Uddhata, Vakyairakrtanyas tatha alasaha. They are also ungrateful, indolent, and of course, they are expert in insulting the honored persons. Manya Mana Visheshagnya. Strilola, they are covetous of women. They are fond of quarrel. Kalahapriya. They are treacherous. Doers of evil deeds. Suchaka, Papa Karmana. They do Papa Karmas. Then Paradravya Apaharinaha. Stealers of other properties. These type of people are to be known as inferior, Adhama in character. These are the three classes of men given here: Uttama, Madhyama and Adhama. Then he comes to the female characters. Though it's almost similar, some characteristics are very much connected with the female. So he has given it as a separate section. Srinam punastu prakritim Vyakyasyam yanupurvashaha So now I shall speak about the female characters. Who is the Uttama in the female character? Mridubhasha, Tvachapala, Smita Bhashinya Gurunam Vachane Daksha, Salajja Vinayanvita, Rupabhijana Madhurya Gunaihi, Swabhavikair Vrita, Gambhirya Dhairya Sampanna, Uttama Prakritihi Smrita. So now, who is she? The woman who has a tender nature, Mridubhasha, tender speaking nature. Achapala, not fickle. Smita Bhashini, female, she is a speaks smilingly. Anishtura, free from cruelty. Gurunam Vachane Daksha, attentive to the words of her superiors. Salajja, bashful. Vinayanvita, good mannered. Rupabhijana Madhurya Gunaihi, she has the natural beauty, nobility and other qualities. Gambhirya and Dhairya, grave and patient. And she is to be known as Uttama Prakritihi. So the character was Uttama. So then he moves on to the middling female characters, Madhyama characters. Na atyutkrishtaihi ashitiler ebhirevacha. Ashitiler ebhireva vrita gunaihi. Alpadoshanubidha cha madhyama prakriti smrita. I repeat the whole shloka. Na atyutkrishtayir ashitiler ebhireva vrita gunaihi alpadoshanu bidha cha madhyama prakritihi smritaha. So a woman of madhyama character, middling character, who does not possess these qualities to a great extent and always has some faults mixed with them. So, the Uttama characters, all the characteristics are not possessed by the Madhyama, but at the same time with a slight extent of faults are seen in the Madhyama character. This is what given by Bharata. Then he moves on to the Adhama character. Adhama prakritirya tu purushanam prakirtita. Adhama prakritirya tu purushanam prakirtita. Vigneya jaiva narinam adhamanam samasataha. He says the inferior female character is to be known in brief from the inferior male character, similar to the male character. So, first the superior woman character is explained, then middling woman character is defined as not having those good qualities as Uttama, but having mild faults in those characters, and the Adhama character of female should be taken from the Adhama character of male. And now he moves on to a character of mixed nature. Preshya chaivahi vigneya sankirna prakrita vapi. So now the sankirna, mixture, maid servants and the likes are characters of mixed character, mixed nature. and also napumsakascha vigneyaha sankirno adhama eva cha. The napumsaka character is also a mixed character but inferior character. Shakaraschaiva vitascha e cha anye api evam adhayaha. The Shakara and the Vita characters also come under the mixed. Sankirna prakritihi jnaya natake cha dvijottamaha ete jnaya prakrityaha purusha stri napumsakaha. Now he has given the details of Purusha, Stri and Napumsaka in connection with these three, Uttama, Madhyama, Adhama, and also Sankirna, mixture. The mix of characters can come in a combination of Uttama and Madhyama, in a combination of Madhyama and Adhama, or some characters who are born inferior might be good in their character, but some who are born superior or middling might be inferior in their character. So there are many varieties of combinations based on these Sankirna. Now he moves on to the four main characters of male, the four varieties of heroes, Nayakas, based on the Uttama, Madhyama and Adhama. He says the Adhama does not come under this, only it is based on Uttama and Madhyama, he says. Dhirodhata, Dhira Lalita, Dhirodattastataivacha, Dhira Prashantakaschaiva, Nayakaha Prakirtitaha. The hero is described as being of four kinds. The Dhirodhata, self-controlled and vehement. Dhira Lalita, self-controlled and light-hearted. The self-controlled and exalted, Dhirodatta. And finally, Dhira Prashanta, self-controlled and calm. Deva Dhirodhata Jneyaha. According to Bharata, these characters who belong to these types of Nayakas are to be noted here. Gods come under Dhirodhata. Then kings are self-controlled and light-hearted. Syuhu Dhira Lalita Nripaha. The third one, Senapatir Amatyascha Dhirodattau Prakirtitau. The ministers come under the Dhirodatta. And finally, Dhira Prashanta Vigneya Brahmana Vanijastatha. Brahmins and the merchants come under the Dhira Prashanta character, self-controlled and calm. Now he adds four types of jesters. Who are they? Connected to the four types of heroes respectively. Lingino, Vija, Avarajaha, Shishyas-cheti yatakramam. Devakshiti Britamatya Brahmananam Prayojayet. Vipralambhe Suhrudo Ami Sankathalapa Peshalaha. Sankathalapa Peshalaha. Here he says these jesters, they are sannyasins, the Brahmins, other twice born castes, and the disciples in case of gods, kings, ministers, and Brahmins. These should be friends of the heroes during the pralamba of the Nayakas. Separation, especially for the conversation between the heroes, and these gestures will happen during the Vipralamba stage of the hero. Now he adds this, Vyasani prapta dukkho va yujyate abhyudayena yaha tatha purusha bahulye pradhano nayakaha smritaha. In case of many male characters in a play, one who being in misfortune of distress ultimately attains elevation, and he is called the hero, the Nayaka. Yatra nekasya bhavato vyasanabhyudayo punaha prakrishtau yasya tau syatham sa bhave tatra nayakaha. So these are to be taken as important shlokas which define a Nayaka. Bharata says, when there are more than one such description, one whose misfortune and elevation are prominent should be called as Nayakas, heroes. So these two shlokas refer to the definition of Nayaka. Then he moves on to Nayika, the four classes of heroine. Ete tu Nayaka Gneya Kavya Bandheshu Sarvadhaha Nayikaschaiva Vakshyami Chatasraha Punareva Tu Divyacha Dripapatnicha Kulastri Ganika Tatha Etastu Nayika Gneya Nana Prakriti Lakshanaha Dhiracha Lalita Chaiva Udatta Nibrita Tatha. There are four varieties of Nayikas classed based on the Nayaka varieties. They are Divya, goddess; Dripapatni, a queen; Kulastri, a woman of high family; and Ganika, a courtesan. So these, according to their characteristics, are connected with the Dhira Uddhata, Dhira Lalita, Dhira Udata, and the Nibrita characters. That is, here we can take the characters such as merchants. Divya Rajangana Hyeta Gunair Yukta Bhavantihi Udatta Nibrita Chaiva Bhavetu Kulajangana Lalita Chapyudatta Cha Ganika Shilpakarika. He says goddesses and kings' women possess all these qualities. Women of high family are exalted and modest, while a courtesan and a craftswoman may be exalted and light-hearted. That is, she might be Lalita, Udatta, but the others will be Udatta and Nibrita, the women of high family. So here, two classes of employment for characters are given here. What are they? Prakritinam tu sarvasam upacharo dvida smritaha. बाह्यश्च आभ्यन्तरश्चैव तयोर्वक्ष्यामि लक्षणम्। तत्र राजोपचारो यो भवेद् आभ्यन्तरस्तु सः ततो बाह्योपचारस्तु यः स बाह्यक उच्यते। So the characters have two kinds of employment. One is bahya, that is external. The other one is internal, abhyantara. So he now explains these two types of job, or the variety is given, bahya and abhyantara. One who is connected with the king, dealings of the king, rajopacharo, she will be known as internal employee, that is abhyantara. And one who has dealing with the people outside is an external employee, that is bahya. So bahya refers to the dealing with the external, the people outside the king's palace, and abhyantara refers to the dealing with the kings who are in the Raja Sabha. Then the female inmates of the harem, female inmates of the harem are described here. Who are they? Tatra rajopachareshu antahpuraha samashrayam Stri vibhagam pravakshyami upacharam tathaiva cha Mahadevi tata devi swamini sthayini tatha bhogini shilpakarini natakiyata nartaki anucharika cha vigneya tatha cha paricharika tatha sancharika chaiva tatha preshanacharika mahattara pratihari kumari sthavira aphi ayuktika cha nripater ayam abhyantaro janaha nripater ayam abhyantaro janaha. Bharata says the classes and the function of the women who have dealings with the king, that is abhyantara, abhyantaro janaha, they are the chief queen, that is the Mahadevi. Then the other queens, Devi, other high-born wives, Swamini, ordinary female wives, Sthayini, concubines, Bhogini, craftswomen, Shilpakarini, actresses, Natakiya, dancers, Nartaki, and maids or attendants, Anucharika, maids for a particular special work, Paricharika, maids for the running errands, that is Preshanacharika, Mahattaris, the mattress, the Pratiharis, the ushers, and the maidens, Kumari, and Sthaviras, the old persons, and Ayuktikas, the female overseers. These are the characters as given in Natya Shastra by Bharata, especially the various female versions, female characteristics in a play performance, especially in a play performance. This chapter is especially very essential for the performers to know the characteristics of the character, and also for the composers, because in each and every place when the character has to be established, So these are to be followed.